There you are. There you are. See? See you. That's it. Let me wash my plate. So, yeah.
I always hold on to these when the
Good morning, people. Come on, say good morning, people. Today we are going to eat breakfast. Brunch. Brunch. We are going to the Carinderia. So we are here in our kitchen. This is our kitchen. Din ang cutleries. So because this is our kitchen, I need to get cutleries.
No.
Actually, this restaurant is just along our street, so we just come in here to eat. I can't bother to cook.
11 ano kasi?
So sometimes much easier to just eat in restaurant here, not restaurant, Carinderia restaurant, than to cook. It's just right, cutlery. There you are, my lovely. So you're gonna eat breakfast, rice for breakfast. You're Filipino now.
Becoming Filipino.
Father, Son, Holy Spirit, Amen. Bless God. Right, so I'm having ampalaya and eggplant for my. Then they're giving us free sabaw.
What fish you got there?
No, that is eggplant. Aubergine. Yeah.
Aubergine.
Aubergine. In UK is aubergine.
Aubergine in Yorkshire.
And it's eggplant.
Right then. Nice.
So you like eggplant?
Yeah, I do.
Now then.
I've had eggplant before.
That's his breakfast.
It's very nice. That.
Okay. So yeah. All right then. Bon appetit. And that
I'll have one
little
of them
man
tomorrow.
there knows how to install games and.
What
That we
are
can
these?
eat.
Just peppers and cucumbers?
No, that is ampalaya. Yeah.
Tastes fishy.
No, but we do have that in the UK, ampalaya. But because this is good for blood transfusion.
No, I don't like it.
Blood
It's a bit
transfusion.
weird. That.
What you doing? You're not sending those emojis to people. Isel, you're not sending those emojis to people. We are buying fruits. 50. Okay.
Madam. Tabi lang yun. 180. This one, 100.
Tamis.
Try mo tapos basta yan.
Okay, we try in here if it's sweet. Before buying. Try before you buy.
Alright, okay.
Di kay patinawon ko sa sarang prutas dere.
What's this, lanzones?
Yeah, this is lanzones. And Yes. It's sweet.
Nice.
Don't taste it yet. I will. You'll taste later.
Mm.
Okay.
Oh, I don't
Potato
get to
sinip.
taste now.
Yeah,
do I?
180 lang nila.
Okay.
Papaya.
Actually, oh. Papaya. Kapila kilos
Okay
na.
na. 80.
Lames. Oh, wala ka nagtitaw. Hindi na ko na damo. Ano sa amon?
And you're getting rambutan as well.
Yan. Tapi lang rambutan.
Tamis na 70. Rambutan ka. Pili ka.
Pwede ka tilaw? Try before you buy.
You're supposed to eat it, not drop it. Alright, thumbs up.
Sama sila ka kilo niya.
Bayabas. 140.
Then, bayabas. Rambutan, bayabas, baba na.
Mm.
So I think you got enough to try now. That's the thing, eh. Number the...
Mm.
You want that as well as your...
No, we've enough for now.
Enough for now.
A lot of it will go to waste, so we won't eat it all.
130 lang.
Okay. Okay, enough for now.
The next day,
Okay. Good morning, people.
Morning.
We are in our kitchen, eating our dining area, eating our breakfast. And it's already
room.
our dining room. It's already nearly 12 o'clock. We woke up late. So this is our dining room.
You couldn't even buy food and cook it cheaper than what you get it here.
And I'm having bamboo shoot. This is my all-time favorite, but it's really difficult to cook because bamboo shoot.
In New Year, we got like pretty much the same taste buds.
What me and you?
So I could easily recommend what food to eat
Yeah.
here.
Yeah, and that little boy there, really
Yeah,
clever.
what are they?
You know, he knows how to install the hubs and all that. So in order for us to eat, we need to. He ate a lot of biscuits anyway this morning. So today we're off to Kandone, and it's a bit rainy. We will see.
It's like first time we come into UK, like
Right, done our breakfast. So now we're gonna go to the bakery to get some bread for Lola Fele. God, I enjoyed my bamboo shoot. Tambo, we call it tambo. And yeah, we're gonna eat all the vegetables that I cannot get it from the UK. Say hello, people. Hello, people.
I'll start driving.
Smile. Hello. Hello, people. My name is Athil. Yeah, there's nothing in there. Hello, people. My name is Athil, and we're going to Kandone. Okay. Right. So we are topping up the air pressure of the car. We are in Shell. This is what's good in the Philippines, because when you top up petrol or anything you do, there's always someone who can do that for you at a very minimum amount. How about petrol? Are we alright on petrol?
We're alright for the moment.
So yeah, petrol prices here in
So watch out
the
for people.
Philippines.
Come on.
For diesel it's 83 pesos 40 centavos, and for petrol is 72 pesos 62. So 72 62 is I think about around 1 pound.
So where the Jollibee is,
30.
around that area.
Yeah.
So now we are going to find a bakery so that we can get some things for to take to Kandini. So we are here in Kabangkalan City. So this is the city of Kabangkalan. Okay, and we are going to Mercy Bakery.
Pull inside of that white wagon van here.
See if you can do a U-turn.
Right, okay.
This is the street of Kabangkalan.
Alright, yeah.
We are doing
Yeah, you can stop
U-turn.
there.
And we are stopping
Mama, lakad ka lang, ma.
right here.
Ma'am.
I don't know what she wants.
So
Come with me. We're going to Mercy. Mercy Gukul. Gonna have shoe Okay, so yeah. She like that. About mga pandesal. Mga sliced bread. No? $482. Mga 6 pounds?
Lang ano po nga?
No, 68. About 6 pounds or 7 pounds. Yeah. All this. So this is the city of we are on our way now to Kanduni. Kaningay actually. Kanduni is a town and Kaningay is the barangay where we live. And we are driving along the Ilog, Dangkalan Ilog. And then after this flat surface, we're gonna go up the mountain. We could see the rice fields along there. I think September, October is harvest season, or probably is already. Oh yeah, looks like it's harvest season because looks like those rice is on the way to harvest time. Other side of the road we have you cannot see it later, but it's on the other side of the road is a sugarcane plantation. So this is Philippines, you know. In the Philippines we grow all sorts of production, really. Like we have sugarcane for our sugar needs, rice for rice is life. Fruits, coconuts, bamboo there for everything. You can use bamboo for everything, like building a house, making furnitures, even you can cook it, like what I had for breakfast. Well, breakfast, lunch, I had bamboo shoot. So we got so many trees around. So drive along, you know, bamboo, coconuts, like that bamboo shoot that I had. There was a coconut milk in it. Makes nice. So I think we are now in Dangkalan Ilog, and then farther up later we're gonna turn left to Kandoni, and the straight road is the way to Kawayan. Okay, so we are approaching the intersection now. We are turning left to Kandoni because the straight line is to Kawayan. So this is the Kandoni way. And again, we're gonna climb up the mountain. It's a driving adventure for Richard. Gonna go up, up, up. I am eating while we are driving along. I am eating siu pao. This is pork asado siu pao.
Right spot there.
Lala is eating siu pao.
Carabao.
Carabao. I missed it. Welcome to Kandoni. Welcome to Kandoni. We missed the sign, but we are in the land of Kandoni. First stop, Kaningay Moro Hable.
1 hour
Here
later.
we are. Here we are. Kervin. Yeah, Lola is here.
Arkilahan na ni sabit ang da sa tunga ko.
Sinong sabit?
Wala nga kay gilingaw. Bra sa bunga. Bra.
Ate, mayo. Kaya man niya kay wala mga kuryente, kay mga tubig. Pati lang ano.
Kuwan ang manan ng luto magkisa na dala ni.
This is the back of the house. Back of the house. Oy, bata. Bata. Oy, bata.
Ano naman yung simila? Sige, kasi mo na.
Na?
Di ba siya mother?
Oh, okay. We are on the way to the farm. It's been raining, so expect muddy road. So it's paddle. Damo tambuyog. Oh. That is called tambuyog. That we play with that when we were little. Oh, look at that. Careful. Careful, it's slippery. Oh dear. Oh dear.
It's not beach now. It's not the beach.
No, there's no any other way, isn't it? Is that deep? This is the discomfort being in the farm. So we are passing by Lola Oray. And she got her security guard there. Lola Oray! Lola Oray! Look. Careful.
Yeah. You've got me out ankles.
So she start itching now. Right, that is Lola Oray's security guard. No, don't go there because he will eat you. He will beat you up. Look at this. Oh, good. No. Okay, dami galit ni saya sa lamok gali ya. Hindi. Oo. Lamok. Oo, alibhon. This called alibhon is good for cough.
Ah, right.
When we have cough, my mom will boil it and then you got to drink the water. All that like dry chesty cough. The next day you will be coughing up phlegm. So she got bumba. So if you do that.
Yeah, I did this last time.
Yeah. We need to do like this.
Oh, you got to prime it first.
Yeah.
Where's primer?
Yeah.
Prime.
While doing that, you got to keep on. While doing that, yeah, it doesn't matter if it's spilled. There you are. There you are. See? You. That's it. Let me wash my feet. So yeah. So this is the you wash your feet there. And then this called Sirisa. Oh, I love that, but then it's not ripe yet. Abbas, did you see that? And this is ano kani ni sanang kamyas sour. Look, and this is the siling labuyo, the spicy chili. Wala bunga nang madala tani ko sini. Ng uray, may bayabas. So that's what she does para wrap it. Oh, shh. May bayabas ko to, bakal ko sa bangkalan.
Papaya up there.
Oh, papaya. Look at that. So shit, sige. This is babana. This is guyabano.
Abal na. Abal na.
Habal na nasa.
Eating the lines.
Sigaling hindi pa maano, hindi pa pwede na masingit.
Pwede eh.
Love, can you sing it? Can you? That is already ready. That's ready to.
What, you want me to get one?
Okay, so we are harvesting Lola Oray. Therefore, it's like. Oh. Oh no. Oh.
That's
Drop. Nyase.
Just watch it.
Yeah. Oh, isa lang. Papaya, sing it. Look at that.
And what's through the door? Hey, little puppy. Hello. What's your name? Eh? What's your name? Huh? What's your name? Have you got a name? Come on then. Come on. Oh, look at you. Eh? You can get on your back legs, can't you? You're a clever dog, aren't you? Eh? You're a clever doggy. Eh? Are you puppy's mummy? Oh, bless you.
Where it began, I can begin to know when, and I know it's growing strong. Was it in spring? Then spring became the summer. Who'd have believed you'd come along? Hands touching hands.